Seeing Find My iPhone grayed out in settings can be frustrating, but there are useful methods for you to fix the issue. Go through the video and learn the methods. Method 1. You can download and install MagFone iOS System Recovery. This professional tool can help you fix the iOS glitches in the iOS system. First, use a USB cable to connect your iPhone to your computer. Enter the interface and choose iOS System Repair. When your iPhone is detected by the software, choose Standard Repair Mode.
Now, check your iPhone information and click Download. Wait for the software download the firmware package. After downloading, the software will unzip the firmware package and fix the issue of Find My grayed out. Then your iPhone will restart. Method 2. Update iOS version. Go to Settings, tap General and Software Update. Tap Update now to download the latest iOS version. Method 3. Disable screen time restrictions. Open Settings and tap Screen Time. Enter Content Privacy Restrictions. Scroll down to tap Accounts, switch from Don't Allow to Allow. Method 4. Turn off stolen device protections. Head to Settings, tap Face ID Passcode. Input your password. Tap Stolen Device Protection, then turn off Stolen Device Protection. Method 5. Turn on Location Services. Enter Settings, tap Privacy and Security, and then tap Location Services. Turn on Location Services. Scroll down and tap Find My. Under Find My, select while using the app. Method 6. Factory Reset iPhone. Access Settings. Tap General and then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Erase all content and settings, the tap Continue. Tap Erase to start resting your iPhone. Method 7. Diable Find My iPhone via Find My app. Open the Find My app on your other Apple device. Tap Devices to find your iPhone. Then tap Remove. Enter your Apple ID password to confirm.